Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I have decided to do a clean with me series because ever since I had the baby, I've been a lot busier than I was in the past. I have a lot more cleaning to do, a lot more laundry to do, and just a lot going on. The baby's care takes priority, so I've kind of put the house care on the back burner. I do it when I get to it. So I just decided to do a cleaning series with you guys to give you guys some cleaning motivation because I know I need it myself. I have a whole bunch of stuff to clean. I have to clean out my entire closet because I have a whole wardrobe full of stuff that doesn't fit me anymore. And some of those things are really old and I don't really want them anymore. And then since the baby got here, I haven't really done a deep clean in her room. I need to do a deep clean in my dining room, my living room, my kitchen, just everywhere. So I'm going to be taking on those projects and I want to bring you guys with me. So for today's video, I'm going to be cleaning Nadia's room. She has outgrown a lot of her clothes and there's a lot of stuff in there that I don't necessarily need anymore. So I'm just going to be decluttering, organizing, and cleaning her room a little bit. So I'm going to take you guys to her room here. I'm going to shut this door. So I'm currently in Nadia's room. That is her closet. As you can see, there's a little bit of a mess going on there. Over here is her changing table. I usually put a lot of diapers in here. This is also her diaper caddy or diaper pill. It needs the trash bag to go in there. This is the worst part of the room. This is her crib. She doesn't sleep in here right now. So I've kind of been using this as a catch-all because she has outgrown some of her stuff. So I just been basically throwing everything in here. And then on the floor here, this is her laundry that needs to be done. And I also need to go and pick through it to see if there's anything that doesn't fit her anymore. And then this right here is her diaper. Those are her wipes. I need to open those boxes and go and restock all the places that needs diapers and wipes. So actually, as I was putting her clothes on the hangers, I thought maybe it'll be smarter if I start her laundry, and then while that's going, I can clean the rest of the room, and then by the time I'm done with that, her laundry will be ready. Then I can fold them and put them away. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Go. The reason she has a lot of clothes in her crib here is because I haven't come up with a system yet where I can separate her new clothes versus her laundry. Just because I have a system where in her closet, her clothes are separated by sizes and it goes from size 0 all the way up to 12 months. So whenever I purchase new clothing for her or whenever I do her laundry, I just don't have a system yet where I can still separate them even though they're not in the closet yet. So that is why I have them all just in her crib like this. And then it takes a lot of time to come and put them on the hanger and then hang them up. So if you guys have a system in mind where I can make this process a little easier and faster for me, please comment down below. This is just Nadia and her dad coming to bug me while I'm cleaning her room. Separating her stuff like this is very helpful for me because it is very easy to get unorganized, and by the time you know it, you're looking for where her dresses are, where her shirts are, where her pants are, and it makes it really hard to find an outfit for her. But when I keep everything organized and separated, it makes it very easy to pick out a quick outfit for her when we're going out or something like that. Organizing her diapers in here like this makes it easy for me because, for one, I don't have to open boxes every time I need to change her. Secondly, I usually go by sizes. So right now she's at size 1. So I have all the size 1 diapers opened and I have them spread out throughout the house wherever I need her diapers. So basically her cleaning station is done. It's clean and ready to go, and I have all her covers organized. This top drawer here is her towels. She has all her mini towels in here. These are what I use to bathe her, and then under here she has some of her clothes that doesn't fit her just yet. And then down here she has some of her tutus, some of her blankets, and then in here are all her bibs. These here are just miscellaneous stuff. Down here is for extra blankets, and then this last one here is for her diapers. So these are all organized, as you can see. As you can see here, this whole section is clean. It's ready to go. I finally got her bed situation together. Her crib is nice and clean and empty. There's nothing in there anymore. I have all her drawers well organized. I'll show you guys what's in here real quick. So in this bottom drawer is just extra stuff. So this is for like her wipes when we go out. This is extra towels. These are stuff that we don't really need yet, except for this one. This is for her diaper genie. It's the trash bag for her diaper genie. And then up here is just more stuff that we're not using as of now. So everything looks organized. It looks nice and clean so far. I just got to do the other side of the room now. I forgot to show you guys these real quick. I got these at Target. These are little hooks for baby's room. I wanted to hang up some of her stuff, but I don't know what I want to hang them on yet, but at least I have them if I need them. And then here, this is the most important one. This is a picture frame. It says my first year. So you start with the baby picture and it has 12 slots. So it's for the 12 months. So from 1 month all the way to 1 year old. I thought this was really cute. It's a good way to keep track of what's going on with her. I have a whole bunch of pictures of her, but I haven't printed anything out yet. So I'm just going to save this, but I definitely plan on putting some pictures in here. So this side is also clean. This is just a little area here where I organize her stuff. These things up here, I'm not even going to go into them. She has a lot of stuff in there that she's not using yet. This is just for decoration. It's a little tutu on the mannequin thing right there. Under here, these are all her hair bows. She has a lot. And then in here, it's just little pieces of things like her hat, her socks, and just little things like this is her binky holder. It's the thing you hook the binky on so it doesn't go missing. So it's just random stuff in there just to keep it organized. Under here, these little baskets I got from Target. I got 4 of these and I have them all around the house. And I didn't really need these, so I just put them in here. And those shoes right there, believe it or not, she outgrew those shoes, so I just put them in there for to save them. This is some of her baby socks / shoes. She hasn't had the opportunity to wear these yet because they're like for church. And she already has some that she's already wearing to church. And then this right here is a little frame that says the love between a mother and her daughter is forever. And then under here, I have some of her books in here. And then I have, this is actually mine. It's a whole bunch of lip gloss that I haven't used yet. It's like a pack of lip gloss. And then there's some candy in there from Valentine's Day. There's her teddy bear. Under here, it's more of her bottles. And then over here, it's a little boots for her. I saw those boots when I was pregnant and I thought they were really cute, so I bought them. I don't know if she's gonna fit them anytime soon, but they're cute. And these are her leftover bottles. And then over here are just stuff that we're not currently using. These tutus were made by her cousin. And then this is like a neck pillow for baby, but we haven't had the chance to use it yet. And then this is her rocking chair. You already know that. This section here is just a little table where I usually sit to comb her hair. This is the first 3D ultrasound I ever got of her. That was the first time I was able to see her face, so that was very special to me, so that's why I have it there. And then these are just combs and brushes that I put in the little bucket I got from Target. This is an old box of a hair that was sent to me, but I like the box, so I kept it. This is something similar as well. I think it was a PR package. I like the package, so I kept that as well. And then there's just a little Claire chair sitting right there next to the table. So that is what that side looks like.